Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking an image that matches your screen resolution. This avoids stretching and blur. Once chosen, save it to a clear location like desktop or pictures so you can find it fast. Now open your display or personalization settings by right-clicking the desktop. This takes you straight to wallpaper controls. Make sure you select the proper monitor if you have more than one, because the system applies changes per display. This first step sets the foundation and prevents common scaling issues. Once in background settings, click Browse and pick your saved image. The system previews it immediately. Next, choose the fit type, fill for full coverage, fit to keep full image, or span across multiple monitors. Each option handles scaling differently, so pick what preserves composition. If details get cut off, use crop or reposition the source image in an editor, then reapply. Make sure to preview on the actual monitor. What looks fine on one display might crop on another. You finish by confirming the wallpaper change and checking it after locking or logging out to ensure persistence. If the image looks blurry, use a higher resolution file or switch the fit to fill or fit to preserve sharpness. If the wallpaper appeared on the wrong screen, make your desired monitor primary or use per monitor wallpaper settings so each display keeps its own background. One key troubleshooting tip: if settings revert, check for third-party apps that manage wallpapers and disable them before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.